Good morning, dear students. This is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today. And you know very well, I'm going to start this poem on the grasshopper and cricket. It is written by John Keats. You know very well, this is very important poem for you, and we are going to discuss about it. First, I'm going to read this poem aloud, and you have to just read it with me. Okay? So, before starting this poem, I have to express something about this poem. Unlike the ant and cricket, as I told you, as I've already taught you, unlike the ant and cricket, page number 21, I have already told you and taught you in the starting, which tells a story. It is just like a story. Okay, this is a nature poem, and in this poem, you are going to discuss about the poem. You are going to discuss about the poem that is related on nature. And in this, the grasshopper and cricket don't appear as characters in a story. They are just like a summer and winter, and rather they act as symbols, each suggesting something else. Read the poem and notice how the poetry of art keeps on through summer and winter in a never ending song. Who sings the song? The question is, who sings the song? In this chapter, जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि ग्रास होपर एंड क्रिकेट के बारे में मैंने पहले ही डिस्कस किया था। आज इस पोएट्री में, इस पोम में मैं जॉन किट्स के जो इम्पोर्टेंट थिंकिंग है, जॉन किट्स के द्वारा लिखा हुआ ये जो पोम है, नेचर पर रिलेटेड है, नेचर से रिलेटेड है। और इन्होंने कहा कि इस अर्थ की जो सुंदरता है, जो पोएट्री है, वो कभी खत्म नहीं। ओके, इस अर्थ की जो पोएट्री है वो कभी खत्म नहीं होगी। इवन द वेदर इज हॉट, अ वेदर इज कोल्ड, यानी वेदर हॉट हो या कोल्ड हो, समर हो या विंटर वेकेशन हो, विंटर हो, सो कभी भी या विंटर सीजन हो, तो ये कभी भी खत्म होने वाली नहीं है। इसे हमेशा ब्यूटीफाई करता है नेचर ही, इसे हमेशा ब्यूटीफाई करता है खुद नेचर ही। तो सबसे पहले हम इस पोएट्री को पढ़ते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू आल्सो रीड अलाउड विथ मी। द पोएट्री ऑफ अर्थ इज नेवर डेड by John Keats. The poetry of earth is never dead when all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees. A voice will run from hedge to hedge about the new moon mead. About new moon mead. Dead mute, and sun run. These are the rhyming words. That is the grasshopper. He takes the lead in summer luxury. He has never done with his delights. For when tired out with fun, he rests at ease beneath some pleasant weed. Weed means jungly grass. You can say that wild grass. And the poetry of earth is sitting never on a lone winter evening when the frost has brought a silence or wrought a silence, in warmth increasing ever, seems to one in drowsiness half lost, and the grasshoppers among some grassy. It is composed by John Keats. It is very important. और सबसे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि ये दिसंबर में लिखा गया जॉन किट्स के द्वारा, और जॉन किट्स ने इसमें नेचर की सुंदरता को बताया, अर्थ के पोएट्री को कभी ना खत्म होने के लिए बताया। तो आइए चलते हैं, इसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। इस पोएट्री को पूरी तरह से पढ़ते हैं, कंप्लीट इस पोएट्री का एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा। द पोएट्री ऑफ अर्थ इज नेवर डेड means the beautiness of this earth will be never dead. Okay, when all the birds are faint with the hot sun, when there is summer season, and in this summer season, suppose all the birds are tired and they never sing and hide in cooling trees. They hide in cooling trees because of hot, because of summer. Okay, and a voice will run, but suddenly we heard a voice will run from haze to haze, from haze to haze. Okay, बच बचा कर हेज टू हेज, खुद को बचा बचा कर फिर भी एक आवाज आती है, न्यू म्यून मीट, न्यू मीन मीट, that is the grasshoppers, the sound of that is the grasshopper. In this poetry, in this poem, John Keats described two characters as grasshopper as summer and cricket as winter. He takes the lead in summer luxury. When all the birds are fainted, they hide in cooling weed, in cooling trees. That time, in summer luxury, one character is going to be a leader that always singing, that always sings tirelessly, and he has never done with his life. For when tired out with fun, he rests at ease beneath some pleasant weed, where he went to take rest to the pleasant weed. Okay, I hope you understood this stanza. And the next I am talking about the poetry of earth is ceasing never. कभी ना खत्म होने वाला पोएट्री है यह, कभी ना खत्म होने वाला पोएट्री है. On a lone winter evening, when the frost, on a lone winter evening, when the frost has brought silence, when in the winter season, frost, mist, fog, they all spread out everywhere and make the silent or wrought a silence. From the stone their trills comes through loud and clear. From that stone there is the sound, a song of cricket, because I have told you cricket is the symbol of winter, and cricket is singing tirelessly in warmth increasing, always increasing, seems to one androgynous half lost. When all the people who were sleeping are sleeping in their houses, they wake up. They heard, they listened, and the grasshoppers among some grassy hills. Are where grasshoppers? Grasshoppers are among the some grassy hills. Both in this poetry, both grasshopper and cricket are the symbol of joy and never ending of beautiness. And they showed that in this way, John Keats showed that, John Keats told us about the poetry of earth, the poetry of nature will be never ended, will be never ended. So in this way, we understood this poem, and it is very important for your examination. Okay, so revise again and again. I hope you understood it. Okay, so next day we will start the next poetry. You have to study for your annual examination. So I hope you understood this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.